Welcome back, folks, to the DUI channel. We are in Chillicothe, Ohio, where on January 4th, 2020 at 10:45 a.m., Chillicothe police were dispatched to Central Center Shopping Mall in regards to an impaired driver. The officer approached the vehicle as his investigation begins.
.351 clear. Signal 7, Henry Queen Union 2556. Henry Queen Union 2556. I'll be out with that subject. My guy, you parked?
Pardon me?
Are you parked?
Yeah, I'm just...
You notice where you parked at? You're in the middle of this lane and the road.
Okay. Yeah.
You doing all right?
I am, buddy. I just sitting here and need to go get me some cigarettes, and I don't feel like going and getting them. And
Yeah. Well, you're not in a parking spot at all. You're in the middle of the road.
I know. Yeah.
You knew you were in the middle of the road?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah, I did.
That's not really it's not really a place to park though, right?
No, you're right.
You been doing any drinking or anything?
No, sir.
No, nothing to
No,
drink
sir.
at all? Any drugs, anything like that?
No, sir.
Any medication that you're on that might have
No,
you a
sir.
little messed up? None of the above.
None of
You
the
got-
above.
You got your license on you?
I do, buddy.
I don't even think you're turned on, are you? No.
I don't know.
Nope, car ain't running.
Oh.
You live around here?
I do. I live over here on Fairway Avenue.
Okay, yeah. I like your license right there in the front. Keep on turning. It's about where your index finger is, your left index finger.
Right.
Yep. See it right here on the outside?
Oh.
There it is. You take any medication or anything?
No, sir.
No blood pressure, cholesterol,
No, sir.
none of that stuff? Diabetic medicine?
No, sir. I do not.
Trying to tap it? I
Pardon
think
me?
you just have to slide it out. It's like you're tapping it like it's a phone. That's a credit card.
Oh, okay.
There we go. I believe that's you.
I think it is.
351 clear. Oh well. You're already shut off, Bubba. You don't have your seatbelt on. Let's walk over here under this canopy so I can
Sure.
talk to you a little better.
Sure.
You don't have to park it. Just leave it right here. Go ahead and
Oh,
shut her
okay.
back off.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh.
We'll just walk right over here with this officer.
Oh, no problem.
Go ahead. All right, let's walk over here. What I need. You're clear. Keep on going over this way so we're not in the rain.
Oh, okay.
All right, so you haven't had any alcohol or anything like that to drink?
No, sir.
No medical issues?
No, I had a DUI, and I just quit drinking.
Yeah.
I said, and I give it all up.
Yeah. I don't blame you. So you haven't done any drinking at all?
No, sir.
So you wouldn't mind doing a couple field sobriety tests for me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to have you stand right here.
Okay.
I'm going to have you stand toe-to-toe, heel-to-heel, hands down to your side, exactly like I am. Just take both hands out of your pockets. You're going to have your hands down to your side just like I am. So what I'm going to have you do is here in a second I'm going to give you something to look at. You're going to look at the tip of my pen, okay? I'm going to hold it about 15 inches away from your eyes. So you're going to look at the tip of my pen, and with your eyes and your eyes only, you're going to follow the tip of my pen. You understand the instructions? Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Just follow the tip of my pen as far as you can look over. Eyes and eyes only, please.
Eyes and eyes only.
Yep, we're going to hold your head completely still, just with your eyes.
Okay.
Just follow the tip of my pen. However far I turn it, you try to follow it. Try to keep your feet together.
Oh.
Toe to toe, heel to heel. Okay, here we go. Not going to follow me, are you?
No.
All right, let's try to
I'm-
stand toe to toe, heel to heel.
I'm in good shape.
Okay.
Toe to toe, heel to heel.
Toe to toe, heel to heel.
Gotcha.
Just like this, hands down to your side. Make sure you're following the tip of my pen, okay?
Oh.
Eyes and eyes only. Remember, keep your head still.
Okay.
Follow the tip of that pen right there.
The tip?
Yep, tip of my pen.
Good. No, I'm not good.
Okay, you can relax a minute.
Okay.
All right, we think it's a nice level surface, isn't it? Not
Pardon
wet,
me?
anything. Nice level surface right here.
Okay.
Nothing, so what I'm going to have you do, step back here to this line.
Right.
Okay, first I'm going to demonstrate and give you instructions on what we're going to do next, and then I'll have you do it. So while I'm demonstrating, I'm going to have you stand with your left foot on that line about where it is now, and you're going to put your right foot in front of that. You're going to touch heel to toe.
Okay.
Hands down to your side, just remain in that position as I give you the instructions, okay?
Gotcha.
Go ahead and put your right foot in front of your left.
Right foot in front of my left?
Yep, exactly like I am right here. That's, let's go ahead and touch heel to toe. Just see how my feet are heel to toe?
Heel to toe.
Yep, I've got my toe, my left toe, and my right heel are going to be touching each other.
Okay.
My hands down to my side. No pockets, hands down to the side. Okay, are you able to get in that position like I am?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're almost there. Your toes, I need your right heel touching your left toes.
Right heel touching
Yep,
my left
just like
toe.
this right here.
Oh, okay.
See how I am there? You're almost there. Just keep on going with that right foot in front of the left. Are you able to stand like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and put your, I need you to touch heel to toe.
Heel to toe.
Yes, sir. You are actually, you're on the side. You're like this, okay? I need you like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, there we go. We're almost there. All right, I can live with that right there. You agree that this is a straight line? So
Yes,
what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you take 9 heel to toe steps. You've already,
Take
you're
what?
9 heel to toe steps.
Okay.
Go ahead and stay and get in that position for me. We had you at step 1. Get that right foot in front of the left. You're almost there, just about there. Keep going. Just about there. See how my feet are? This is how I need you.
Okay.
Okay, are you able to do that physically?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, go ahead and get in that position just like I am. See how my right heel is touching my left toe? Okay, I need you to get in that position so we can do this test. Okay, I don't think we're going to be able to do that one. All right. So what I'm going to have you do now is I'm going to have you stand like you did the first time. You're going to touch. You're going to touch your toe to toe, heel to heel, hands down to your side, just like I am here.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm going to have you do here in a second, I'm going to demonstrate for you. I'm going to have you lift one of your legs, whichever leg of your choice. You're going to raise that foot about 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep it parallel with the ground. Okay, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you look down at your toe while your hands are down at your side, and I'm going to have you count. It's going to look like this. When you count, you're going to count by thousands. It's going to look like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
You understand so far?
I think so.
Okay. Go ahead and begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005.
Until I tell you to stop. All right. So what I'm going to do now, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be held against you in court of law. You have the right to an attorney. Keep your hands out of your pocket.
Oh,
You have
sorry.
the right to have an attorney present during question. You have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You're now under arrest for OVI.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir. Put your hands up there and make sure you don't have anything in your pocket. I don't believe you've been drinking, but I do believe that you're under the influence of some kind of drug. Help me out. Tell me what drug that is.
Not doing anything.
Okay. What's got you so flustered? Do you have any medical problems or anything like
I
that?
do.
What's your medical problem?
I lost my wife a couple years ago. And,
Oh, sorry to hear that, sir.
yeah.
You haven't been snorting anything?
No, sir.
Nothing at all?
No.
I don't think you've been drinking. You're telling me you haven't done any drugs. I got to figure out what in the world's going on with you.
Yeah, I haven't done any drugs. or
'Cause-
anything.
Because to be honest with you, you're stopped in the middle of the road. Okay?
Yeah, I was backing out
Okay.
and it died.
Yeah.
And the guy that works in this store here come out and was talking to me, and it died. And he come out and was talking to me.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it.
All right. So I'm not convinced that you are on drugs, but I do believe there's something going on with you.
Uh-huh.
So for your safety and my safety and everybody else's safety out there, I'm going to place you in handcuffs now. I'm going to put you in the back of the car. Do you have any problem with me taking a look at your car?
Oh, no.
Okay. Put your hands back here. I'm going to set you in the back of my car for a minute, okay?
All right.
Give me a little more space here. I'm going to try to figure out if this is medical or drug induced, okay?
Right.
So, just hang tight here for a minute in the back of the car. I'm going to see if there's anything in yours. If I can't find any evidence of drug use, do you have any problems going out to the hospital and maybe getting checked out?
No, I don't have any problem at all.
'Cause I believe that you got some kind of medical issue going on, okay?
Right.
All right, I'm going to have you in the back of my car here. I'll get all your stuff. Would you have any issues with going out to the hospital and getting checked out?
No.
Okay.
Should I move my car? Or?
I'll take care of that. If so, there's no drugs, no knives, guns, bombs, ninjas, grenades, anything like that in your car?
No.
You don't keep ninjas in there?
No little ninjas.
Good, good. Hang tight for a minute. Do you have any family members around here still?
Yeah.
Anybody that would be able to come out and get you at the hospital if you go out there?
No, my mother, but she's like 82 years old.
Okay. Any friends or anything to be able to
No.
come get you? Okay. We'll figure something out. Go ahead and hop in there.
No.
Watch your head.
Yeah.
Following the arrest, the suspect Donald was transported to the Ross Correctional Institution and consented to chemical urine testing.
If you take chemical test, you may have an independent chemical test taken at your own expense. Told you I was going to help you out.
Right.
So, I don't think this is going to do any good. I don't think you've been drinking. I'm not
No,
sure
I
what the
haven't.
drug is. If you do a urine test, your license will not be suspended. I'm going to slide that back over to you.
Okay.
If you do that urine test, you'll have a court date on Monday. Monday morning, you'll have to be at court at 9 a.m. for your arraignment.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
So you'll go to your court date at 9 a.m. Monday morning, and then you'll let the judge know what's going on. Whatever your plea is on that. It takes a little while for the urine specimen to come back. If the urine specimen comes back that there was no illegal drugs or any metabolite of any illegal drugs, then the case can be dismissed.
Right.
So like I said, I don't think that's going to do any good,
Right.
and I don't want to draw any blood. We don't have anybody here who can even do that. So will you agree to give me a urine sample?
Sure.
Okay.
Can I get a glass of water?
I don't know. We can get you a glass of water.
The results of the test yielded greater than 1,000 nanograms per milliliter of both cocaine and cocaine metabolite. The latter is the chemical compound of cocaine after being metabolized in one's person. Donald eventually pled guilty to operating a vehicle while under the influence, or OVI. This is the defendant's second OVI. After a $525 fine, the suspect was ordered to pay $1,045 including fees. This amount has been paid in full. Donald was further sentenced to 5 days in jail and 18 days of house arrest. He was put on probation for an unspecified amount of time and was given 6 points on his license.